Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to participate in airdrops using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on a device and log in using your credential. Make sure your wallet is fully set up and you have some cryptocurrency like Ethereum in your wallet, as some airdrop may require a small amount of gas fee. Follow cryptocurrency news. Go to the Markets tab and go to the News tab. Here you can find various news. You can also check official website or social media account for the project offering airdrop to get accurate information. Each airdrop will have a specific requirement such as holding a certain cryptocurrency, completing a task like following social media accounts, joining Telegram group etc., or registering on their website. Ensure you meet all eligibility criteria before the deadline. When participating in airdrop, you will need to provide your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet address. Go to the Receive button and select any one of the cryptocurrency. Here you can see your wallet address. Copy the wallet address by tapping on it. Paste this address into the appropriate field in airdrop registration page. Complete any additional tasks required by the airdrop, such as subscribing to newsletter, following social media channel, and participating in community discussion. After completing the required steps, ensure you confirm your participation in the airdrop as instructed by the project. After airdrop distribution date, check your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet for new tokens. Airdrop can take time to process, so be patient. By following these steps, you can effectively participate in airdrop using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.